If you're watching this video, you might be about to receive your first paycheck. Or maybe it's already in your account. If so, congratulations. This is a really important moment. It's when you see the result of all your hard work reflected in something concrete, money in your account. But it's also a crucial time to make smart decisions about what to do with that cash. Because even if it doesn't seem like it, the choices you make now can have a big impact on your financial future. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do with your first paycheck so it doesn't slip through your fingers and you can start off on the right foot toward financial freedom. Everything explained simply, straight to the point, and with real-life examples. I'm CapitalWise, and on this channel, I teach you how to make money work for you so you don't have to work your whole life for it. Let's get started. Before we dive in, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn how to manage your money, invest from scratch, and live with more freedom. This channel is for you, the young person who wants more than just scraping by each month. Let's do this. Let's start with the first mistake. Blowing your whole paycheck on fun stuff. You get paid and your first thought is, I deserve this. And hey, it's okay to celebrate and treat yourself. But the mistake? Blowing it all in one go. New clothes, the latest tech, nights out, daily takeout. Those little splurges can drain your account before you know it. Treat yourself? Absolutely, but keep it under control. Use the rest wisely. Think about your future, not just the moment. The second biggest mistake is, without a doubt, losing track of your spending. If you don't track your expenses, it'll feel like your money just disappears. It's like having a bucket with holes. You fill it up and half an hour later, it's empty. Use apps like FinTonic, Spendy, or even just a spreadsheet to keep track. It might feel like a hassle at first, but it soon becomes a life-changing habit. The third and most important mistake is, without a doubt, not saving or investing anything. A lot of people think you need a lot of money to start investing, but that's not true. The most important thing is to start. If you can save $1,000 a month today, you'll have $12,566 in a year. If you can save just $5 a day, you could save up to $250,000 in 25 years. And if you put that money to work, it can grow even more. The habit of saving is more important than the amount. What you learn to do with a little, you'll be able to do with a lot more in the future. So what should you do with your paycheck? There are many ways to diversify your income, but today, I'll tell you about a classic one, the 50-30-20 method. This rule helps you divide your income in a balanced way. First, set aside 50% of your income for needs. This covers the essentials, everything you absolutely need to live. Transportation, subway card, gas if you have a car, food, groceries, meal prep, lunch boxes, utilities, internet, phone, electricity, gas, housing, rent, shared expenses, or your contribution at home. If you still live with your parents and don't have to pay for most of these things, take advantage of it. You might only need 20 to 30% of your income to cover essentials, and you can redirect the rest toward saving or investing. That's a gift not everyone has. Now, let's talk about the 30% of your income that people enjoy the most, the 30% for wants. This is everything you don't need, but like. And it's totally okay to enjoy life, going out with friends, hitting the movies, buying something you've been wanting, but do it with control. Not everything fun has to be expensive. Look for alternatives, free events, secondhand clothes, special deals. It's not about not spending, it's about spending mindfully. We'll dive much deeper into this topic in another video, but the foundation is this. You need to be clear with yourself that only 30% of your income should go towards fun, leisure, and non-essential spending. The last 20% that will change your life, saving and investing, this is the percentage that makes all the difference. While many people spend every last dollar, you're going to do something different. You're going to build your financial freedom. Imagine that each month, the moment you receive your paycheck, you set aside that 20% as if it never existed. It's not a sacrifice. It's a smart decision. First, your emergency fund. Because life is unpredictable. One day everything's fine, and the next you're facing a car repair, a medical issue, or a job change. Having at least 3 months of expenses saved gives you a cushion to breathe and make calm decisions, not desperate ones. Start small. First $10,000, then $30,000, until your emergency fund becomes your safety net. Then, it's time to invest. You don't need to be an expert or have a lot of money to start. ETFs are your best friend. They're like baskets that track entire markets and let you grow alongside the economy. SPY follows the 500 biggest US companies, S&P 500. QQQ bets on the future with the tech giants in the Nasdaq. GLD gives you a safe haven in physical gold. The best part, ETFs are accessible, liquid, and one of the safest long-term investment options. But don't put it all in the market. Keep a portion in a savings account that beats inflation. In the US, inflation closed at 3.1% in 2024, according to the Consumer Price Index from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. That way, your money doesn't lose value while it waits for the right moment. The secret: automation. Set up an automatic transfer the day you get paid, like any other fixed expense. That 20% will disappear before you can spend it. You won't miss it, but over time, you'll be amazed by what it turns into. And don't forget to invest in yourself. A book like Rich Dad, Poor Dad or The Richest Man in Babylon can shift your mindset more than any expensive course. Today, you've got free tools: YouTube, podcasts, investor communities. Financial knowledge is what separates those who only dream of freedom from those who actually achieve it. Avoid the traps that drain most people's money. Credit cards are helpful only if you use them wisely, never with interest-bearing installments. Loans should be for investing in something that makes you money, not for impulsive purchases. Saving without a purpose leads to spending. Set a goal, a trip, your independence, a business. What matters most? Just start. It doesn't matter if it's $1,000 or $10,000. Time is your best ally, and every dollar you invest today will work for you in the future. This 20% isn't just money. It's your peace of mind, your growth, and ultimately, your freedom. Your first paycheck might not seem like much today, but it's the start of your independence. The decisions you make with that first income say a lot about what your financial future will look like. Want to live with peace of mind, with options, without depending on anyone? Then start today, with whatever you've got. It doesn't matter if you earn $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, or $200,000. What matters is how you use it. You can be smart, save, invest, and enjoy, all at the same time, but you need structure, intention, and a bit of patience. Money shouldn't control you. It should work for you. And to make that happen, you need to learn how to use it well, starting now. If this video helped you, hit that like button and share it with a friend who's about to get their first paycheck. They'll appreciate the push. And tell me in the comments, what are you going to do with your first paycheck? Will you treat yourself? Will you invest? Will you save? Subscribe to the channel. This is just the beginning.